Hello, food lovers! Today, we embark on a culinary adventure to create a dish that is as impressive as it is easy baked brie. This warm, gooey cheese, encased in a crisp crust, is a symphony of flavors and textures. It's the perfect appetizer to impress your guests. Get ready to discover the magic of baked brie. Baked brie is incredibly versatile. You can customize it to your liking with an array of sweet or savory toppings. Imagine dipping crusty bread into a pool of warm melted brie, infused with the sweetness of honey and the crunch of pecans. Or perhaps you prefer the savory notes of caramelized onions and rosemary. The possibilities are truly endless. Before we begin our cheesy adventure, let's gather our ingredients. Don't worry, we only need a few simple items to create this culinary masterpiece. 1 wheel of brie cheese. This is the star of our show. Choose a good quality brie for the best flavor. Extra virgin olive oil. We'll use this to prevent sticking and add a touch of richness. Toppings of your choice. This is where you can get creative. Remember, the beauty of baked brie lies in its simplicity. You don't need to be a gourmet chef to create this crowd-pleasing appetizer. With just a few ingredients and a little bit of love, you'll be amazed at the deliciousness you can create. Now that we have our ingredients, let's prepare our brie for its transformation. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. This will ensure that our brie bakes evenly and reaches the perfect temperature for melting. Next, unwrap your brie and place it in a baking dish. Drizzle a little olive oil over the top. This will prevent the brie from sticking to the dish and add a touch of richness. Our brie is now ready for its time in the oven. But first, let's explore some options for taking it to the next level. Section 4. Elevating the experience pastry and toppings. While our basic baked brie is delicious on its own, we can elevate it further with some creative additions. One option is to wrap the brie in puff pastry. This creates a beautiful golden crust that encases the melted cheese. Simply roll out a sheet of puff pastry and place the brie in the center. Fold the pastry over the brie, sealing the edges well. Brush the top with an egg wash for a beautiful golden finish. For an extra burst of flavor, add toppings before baking. Sweet toppings like honey, pecans, and cranberries pair beautifully with brie. For a savory twist, try caramelized onions, rosemary, or a sprinkle of red pepper flakes. Section 5. Baking and serving, the grand finale. Now comes the moment of truth, baking our brie to perfection. Place the prepared brie in the preheated oven and bake for 15 to 20 minutes or until the cheese is melted and bubbly. Once baked, remove the brie from the oven and let it cool for a few minutes. This will allow the cheese to set slightly and prevent any messy spills. Serve your baked brie immediately with a selection of dippers. Crusty bread, crackers, and fruits all pair wonderfully with the warm, gooey cheese. For a truly indulgent experience, offer a selection of both sweet and savory toppings. There you have it, baked brie, a simple yet elegant appetizer that is sure to impress. So gather your ingredients, put on your chef's hat, and get ready to create a culinary